This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by the America.
Stibo my brother kunjani?
I'm Nandi.
I iqalile season.
Yeah,
Iqalile season.
Yeah.
Sundowns won today.
Yes.
But I don't wanna lie, I am not impressed.
Not impressed?
Yes. I am not saying we must chase away the coach.
Yeah.
But there's something that's not okay. Yeah. I feel like maybe that void, Ribeiro.
Yeah.
I feel no.
For sure.
Yes, but Sundowns, we've been doing this for the past 7 years.
In a row.
We're gonna fix this.
Yeah.
Because we saw Sales played a very good game.
Great game.
He's been improving.
Yeah.
He's been improving like the way he unlike the way he started last season.
Yes.
So yes. I don't wanna waste time, Stivo, but Matthew second half, since he was introduced to the game.
Yeah.
The boy is scared of taking responsibility.
Hey,
I saw two opportunities where he was supposed to shoot the ball, but he just passed the ball.
Hey.
He passed the ball.
Extra pass is necessary.
Yeah, but I guess since he got a goal, maybe it's gonna boost his confidence.
Yeah.
Yes. Without wasting time, Tibo.
Yeah.
I think by Saturday before we sleep, someone will be unemployed somewhere in Soweto. Someone will be unemployed. Someone will be unemployed. You cannot lose 2 games in a row.
Yeah.
This is what we heard just before the season started.
Yeah.
They said he's just going to dish.
Yeah.
He's going to just dish.
Hey.
They signed 15 players.
For him.
For what? The midfield is packed.
Stacked.
Goodman Musele was there. He came back from cheaper. They took him back on loan.
Yes.
I saw Okola Lempantlane that man.
Stress.
I seen too sharp there.
Yeah.
I seen too sharp.
Yeah.
So we're gonna beat Pirates Saturday.
Yes.
In less than 2 weeks' time, it's their neighbors.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kiken Boboza out.
Coach Nabi.
Why Zimboro Aring? Ari kutlwa mnati kijajem.
Hey.
Kitabile Tatas team.
Happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
So we must just take down the other team,
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Hey, they talk too much.
Machis,
Hey, they talk too much.
Makosi ne?
Yeah. They talk too much.
We got deal along.
I don't deal alone, as always.
Nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet. We need to beat them.
Yeah.
We must do a revenge for what they did to us. Canet Bank Cup.
Yeah.
We won't forget.
Yeah.
I get a Nova busy brown envelope.
Hey.
So Roba won't happy.
Copa Man of the Match in Chaga.
Sales.
Going
once, going twice. Sales.
Chaga Chade.
Sharp.
Over the Chaga.